Mastering the phrase, working on projects. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very common yet powerful phrase in English, working on projects. Whether you're in a professional environment, studying, or pursuing a personal interest, understanding and using this phrase can significantly enhance your communication skills. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you master it. Working on projects refers to the process of being engaged in a set of tasks or activities aimed at achieving specific goals or outcomes. A project can be anything from a professional assignment, a school task, or even a personal endeavor like renovating your house. The key elements here are action, working, and purpose, projects. This phrase implies a focus on progress and accomplishment. The context in which you use the phrase, working on projects, can change its meaning. In a professional setting, it might refer to collaborative efforts, deadlines, and specific objectives. In an academic context, it could relate to research, group assignments, or individual tasks. Personally, it might mean hobbies or personal goals. Understanding the context helps clarify the scope, scale, and expected outcomes of the projects. There are several ways to use the phrase to suit different contexts and intentions. In progress, I am currently working on several projects. This implies active engagement and ongoing work. Future plans, I will be working on a new project next month. This indicates planned activities or intentions. Completed projects, I have been working on this project for the past year. This reflects on past efforts and possibly the completion of the project. Each variation provides insights into the time frame, commitment, and stage of the projects involved. Knowing how to discuss your projects can enhance your storytelling skills, interviews, presentations, and everyday conversations. For English language learners, practicing sentences like, I am excited to be working on a new project that challenges me creatively, or, our team is working on developing a new app, can be excellent ways to incorporate the phrase into your vocabulary. Understanding and using the phrase, working on projects, can significantly improve your English communication, especially in contexts where you want to discuss your endeavors, plans, or achievements. Remember, the essence of this phrase lies in its flexibility and relevance across various aspects of life. We hope this video helps you feel more confident in your English conversations about your projects. Keep practicing, and see you in our next lesson.